JessePics.
And it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
What are we doing today, Jesse?
We're going to build this playhouse.
So we're going to build that
Yeah.
using what? These boxes in the rain. And where's it going to go?
Well, it's going to go somewhere, like, I think about in the middle of our garden.
Or maybe, how about where we've got some ground ready? Where Jackson's... Are you helping, Jackson?
Look at him. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready, boy.
Right, Jesse, there's a little bit of mud
Yeah.
and dirt that we need to put in the wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
Are you going to do it? Are you using your hands?
No, that's serious. I'm going to use the shovel.
That's going to take forever.
I got it. Remember to like this video. If you don't, I'll kick you in the face.
You can't say that. You won't really kick them in the face, will you, Jesse?
No. If you don't like this video, I will, like...
Be sad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll
Jackson.
put thumbs down for you.
Jackson, that's not helping.
Jackson, that even is not helping.
As always, Jackson, you're not helping.
Get a shovel and do it.
Yeah, why don't you get a shovel and help, Jackson? Then we've got to put all that dirt into this wheelbarrow. Can you do it? Okay, guys, right now, what we need to do is we need to flatten it all down. How are we going to Oh. Right, shall I help? A stamp, stamp in. A stamp, stamp in.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's dance. Ready? I'll put some dance music on. Let's go. Right, stamping, feet up in the air. How high can you get your feet? How high can you lift your feet? How high can you lift your feet? Woohoo! All nice and flat, guys, that's it. Make it all nice and flat. Good work, good teamwork. What should we call ourselves? What's our team name going to be?
Team Builder.
Team Builder? Yeah.
No, the Order of the Pig.
The Order of the Pig?
Yeah.
Is that from Minecraft?
Yeah.
Yo, I should have guessed. Go on then, about Team Builder Pig.
Yeah.
Team Builder Pig?
Yeah.
Come on, Team Builder Pig, let's stamp it all down. Right then, guys, now we need to get all this bark. So
Yeah.
this is bark. What does it feel like, Jesse?
It feels like rotten grass.
It's like trees and that. So we're going to lay all this down on this bit here. Right, should we have a look at it close up? Wow, look at all that, all the trees and the mud. Oh, it's messy. Look how messy my hands are.
Oh!
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Look how you lift it up.
Right, so now we're going to lay it all down, shall we? Just like that, sprinkle it all down.
Sprinkle, sprinkle. Like the sprinkles. Like the sprinkles you eat on cupcakes. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I think it's raining bark. Woohoo!
No! Tell me you, like, got in my coat.
Oh, sorry. Don't tell Mum.
I'll break it. You shovel. You missed.
You working hard?
Yeah.
So how does it look?
Good.
Looking really good.
That's the nice of it.
Yeah. Hang on a bit. I'm being... Yeah? You found a dinosaur stone? Let's have a look. Whoa, what dinosaur is it?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Is it like a tooth? Where did you find that, Jackson? Did you? Wow. Right, shall we open up the box?
Yeah!
Look how many bits there are.
It's the instructions.
We've got the instructions. What does it say? It says on the front, it should take one person 2 hours to build.
2 hours?
So 1 person 2 hours, and there's 3 of us. So that'll take us about 6 hours then.
6 hours?
You 2 helping.
Well, Jaxon is going to be useful, so only
Yeah,
2.
Jaxon, maybe don't be carrying Daddy's tools. It's like a big jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah. Of the house.
Right, shall I leave you to it then? You going to build it yourself? Alright, see you later. Cheers.
No!
Cheers, bye-bye. Enjoy, have fun. Where are you going? No, you build it. You build it, I'm done. I'm going for a cup of tea.
No!
Oh, nice cup of tea. No, leave me alone. I want a cup of tea. 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 Hello. Oh, come in. It's nice and dry.
Yeah.
Are you nice and dry?
Yeah.
Oh, where's the roof?
Ah!
Ah, it's just a door.
Daddy.
You want to come in? Come on in. Come in.
Come in, boy. Come in and light of magic.
Shut the door. Oh, welcome. How is it? Nice and warm in here, isn't it? It's quite airy.
Where's our roof?
Oh.
Dad, where's our roof?
Where's our roof?
Shut the door. It's raining.
Oh, well, it's a good job this is the floor bit, isn't it? Look at all those muddy footprints on there.
What's this?
Who's responsible?
Me.
Ow.
Jaxon. What? Jaxon. Jaxon.
guys.
Jaxon. What?
So that's me building it. What's Jessie doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm looking at a volcano from Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom.
See? Right, we finished it now. Should we go and get Jaxon and show him?
Yeah.
Here we go. Right, Jessie, is your brother ready?
What's this? Look at this, Jaxon.
Look at that! Your house? Is this Jaxie's house?
What? And don't forget, it's Jessie's house as well. Look at his mouth.
Jaxie, it's your house.
We go inside?
And doors.
Yeah, open the door.
Open the door then.
Okay.
Watch out, look. There you go, look. Oh, there you go.
You get in your house. Do you like it, Jaxon? Is it your house?
Do you like your own playhouse? Look at this house.
You got your own playhouse, yeah.
Bye.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Got loads of space inside, haven't you?
Can I go inside, Jaxon? Yeah.
You can fit what, 2, 3, 4? 4 kids in there? Where's Jessie gone? I can't see.
What? I fell.
You fell.
Thank you guys for watching this video and subscribe and smash that like button and follow our Instagram.
Yeah. See you next time, guys.